Welcome to Macrocode. If you're new to this channel, consider subscribing. So today I'm going to show you guys how to set up a VS Code so that you can be able to use it in coding and actually developing .NET MAUI app. So you're going to set a profile. So if you come here, you'll be able to see that we have profiles. So you can actually set profiles based on the projects that you want to do. For example, if you are doing SPNet web applications, you can have your own the profile and the extensions that you are using. And also for .NET MAUI, you can actually create a new profile. Then you can actually give it a title, say .NET MAUI profile. Then here you can actually select the profile source in case you want to copy. Then you can also set the icons. So for example, for this case, I'll just do the mobile icon. Then you have the settings here. If I just come here, then I can just say, let's just create this. Then I can actually tick it. So if I tick it, then this will be the profile. So you see here, it is actually indicating in use, and you can change the other one to that. So if I come back here, I can tick it, and this is the new profile that I'm using. So, and you can also check on, as you can see here, you can actually add a new profile. For example, let's just add a new profile. So then you can say .NET web app. So that's my new profile. And you can see here, I can select the icon. For example, here I can put in, let me just do, I can put in this. Then I can create this profile. So you can see here, the one that is in use is for .NET MAUI. So I can actually select this, and you can see the icons down here are changing based on what I'm selecting. So you can see this is it. So the next thing that we can now do is we need to install some extensions for .NET MAUI. So I'm actually on .NET MAUI profile, and this is how it looks like. So I can now come here to profiles, and I can always select the profile that I'm using. So if you go to extensions, so I want us now to go to extensions, and you can actually see here, we have the popular extensions, which will actually be recommended to you. So you can see these are some of the recommendations that we have, and we also have the installed one. So currently we've not installed anything. So if you want to install, so we have the C# dev kit. So if you just do C# dev kit, so this one is now the fastest extension that you actually need installed. Then we have our C# dev kit installed. So you can see these are some of the extensions that we actually need for VS Code. So if you're new to this channel and you've not subscribed, so consider subscribing, like the channel, and also let's share the video. So my C# dev kit is installed. So let's just wait and see. So the other extension that we need is actually the .NET MAUI extension. So we just search there, then you should be able to see we have a .NET MAUI extension. So click on it, and you should be able to install it. So you can actually install the release version or install the pre-release version. So if we install the release version, so it is actually installing. Then we have another one that I want us to actually install. So we have we have the .NET MAUI, we have the C# dev kit. So if you go back here to our NuGets, so there's a lot of NuGets that you can actually install. So another one is GitHub Copilot. So you can just do GitHub Copilot, and you can see we have it here. So you can actually also install that. Then you also have .NET MAUI publish and archive. So you can say .NET MAUI. So instead of using the command, you can actually install this particular tool. So we have these here, this extension. So this is a VS Code extension for .NET MAUI archiving application. So you can actually also install that. So another one is the view. We call it view code behind. So you can actually install that particular extension. So you can see this allows you now to see the XAML code behind file. So you can see, you can view the code, and you're able to view that. So if you click install, then you should be able to have that particular extension. So another extension that you can actually install is the Prettier extension. So you'll just do Prettier. Then this one will actually, it helps you to actually format the code. So you can see it's actually code formatter. So you can install that particular extension. So if you install the Prettier, We've installed the GitHub Copilot. We've installed the .NET MAUI. We can create a project. So I'll just create a .NET project. So here we can create a .NET MAUI app. So you can see, if I just click here, then you can choose where we are going to store our project. So I'll just store my project here. Then I can give it a name. So I'll just say .NET MAUI test app. So then I can enter to confirm that I'm creating a project, and you can actually create a project. So if you press enter, then the project will be created. So you can see my .NET MAUI app has been created. So I'll trust that. And you can see this is the project here. We have our MAUI CS class. We have MAUI program.cs class, MAUI program, that is the MAUI main page. We have all these. You can actually, for example, under XAML, so if I right click, I can also use the view code. So if I click view code, then I'm able to see the .cs class. So I think that is how you can actually develop .NET MAUI app on VS Code. So you can actually code the app using a VS Code. So you can see that this is how my app now looks like.